Zimbabwe, you better listen to this. So tina prophet BS Chiza. BS right, BS Chiza. So this prophet ndeyokubulawa yoko. I mean mazimbabwe mazhinji anowaziva. There's no need to really introduce him that much, but prophet havane imwe prophecy yavo yavakange vachitaura about what is going to happen. Anditi so takaiposta pano pamuzinda wevanhu sometime back. It's now about a week or so. Murezimbabwe vaitaura ivo vachiti ivo what is going to happen ndezvekuti izvezvi zvatiri kutaura izvi, because you see zvinhu zveprophecy murezimbabwe itisika sometimes hazvingoitiki ipapo ipapo zvavanonichifungira, but you know if things happen after 1 month or happen after 2 weeks or 3 months 2 months, you cannot say prophecy haina kuzadziswa. So what is happening right now ndekuti prophet vakataura vachiti ivo Mnangagwa like president aripo right now uchabva, and then kuchauya mumwe, ende anouya uyu haasi kuzogara kana 2 terms, but uchauya kuita pave way for another one, and then pachazoita umwe achafira pachinzvimbo, pachazoitika chichichichichandida. So first of all prophet like prophecy yavo yatiri kutaura nezvayo panapa kuti yazadziswa yava chokwadi muri yezimbabwe ndeyekubva kwaEmmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. So muri yezimbabwe ndiri kuda kupinda nemi mukati what's happening inside ZANU-PF. You see, ZANU-PF loves to play their games secretly. They love to never throw their dirty laundry outside. Why? This is their survival skill. To the public, we always play one front. Zimbabwe, I want you to understand this. Remember Mugabe, he was a boss. He maintained the total control, or the look of total control, up until to the point Bakabviswa. Even Bakabviswa Chiwenga, when he was talking to Mugabe, he was still respectful, he was still, submissive, but yet removing him. You understand? So, because that's how ZANU-PF operates. Now, I want to come here. So, open your ears, Zimbabwe. Here's what is happening. I just don't know. Kuti idimoni here rinobata vanhu, mweya westupidity here kana kuti chii, but let me explain the best way I can. It's inonzi to be drunk with power. Zimbabwe tosemozva munoziva zvinhu zvinoitika mulife zvoshamisa, but somehow vanhu tiri so evil. On a personal level, evil feels good sometimes, because it's like maybe uri kuita mari yako uchiba kana kuti uri kuita zvauri kuita uchibira vanhu uchiita sei handidi. Iwewe nemukadzi wako, it's very unfortunate kuti you feel good, kuti muri zvimbavha, you are eating, you are benefiting somehow pane kamuka good feeling kamene uchingofila ngoti tirinaki, but let's keep going, rigatirambe tirowa mari, rigatirambe tiita zvitiri kuita handidi. So this is the same spirit yabata Mnangagwa, but unfortunately Mnangagwa is sitting on a way too powerful and big position, a position that muri kutoona toswera tichitaura nezvayo pano pamizinda yevanhu etc, because his position yeleadership yenyika nemaresources ayo. Right, so now let's talk about this. Nyaya iripo ndeyekuti Mnangagwa ari kuda kuisa auxilia Mnangagwa. This is the same playbook ndakatambwa naMugabe. So zvakamira zvakadaro muri Zimbabwe, Mnangagwa achida kuisa auxilia. It's very unfortunate, but intel dziri kusvika panews desk dziri kundiudza kuti there is so much resistance military, and it's quite resistance. And Mnangagwa, the people who are going to turn against him, guess who are those guys? The General Matatu. It's definitely going to be done the exact same way yakaitika mna 2017, peacefully, and the military general, another General Matatu right now, is going to lead the whole thing, and they are going to put Chiwenga. And once they put Chiwenga, tamirira futi demon riere. Because you see, listen. The problem ndekuti right now musituation yatiri muZimbabwe yakamira yakati iyo tine mufesi anonzi Mnangagwa, who on an official level has successfully changed the constitution. Constitution in Zimbabwe, as we speak right now, we are no longer talking about 2013 constitution. We are talking about the constitution after Cape 3. And Now, talking about the constitution after Cape 3, it means whoever is going to come and be the next president is going to inherit a Zimbabwe and a governance system and a constitution that allows him, in fact, that says he is there in office for 7 years. Do you understand that part? So even if General Chiwenga right now removes Mnangagwa being helped by the military, etc., and then he sits as the president, will he reverse Cape 3? Now that's the question. Will Chiwenga reverse Cape 3? Or he will try to cling to it, and also go for 7 years and enjoy all this executive power that Mnangagwa is trying to steal from the people through Cape 3 Yakasainai. Do you understand that part? Now, we are going to have two problems in front of us, Zimbabwe. The first problem will be, right, kubviswa kwaMnangagwa. Once abviswa, apinda, we would trust, we pray that whoever anopinda will be smart, will be for the people, will be democratic. So we not, hey guys, we are going back to the 2013 constitution. Cape 3. But exactly that conversation, Zimbabwe, is not only as per public platform about that conversation yekuti constitution in Zimbabwe iri kufanirwa kuchinjwa back to the 2013 constitution. This is exactly the conversation that's happening in the military between General Chiwenga and comrades and retired generals, etc. The only reason why all of these guys are rallying behind VP Chiwenga is because of this, is because they want to reverse Cape 3. Now, I don't want to finish this broadcast. This is now about this important thing. I have to remind Zimbabweans, everywhere you are, especially those who are here in Zimbabwe, my people, 31 July is coming. There is, right, 31 July is coming, and 31 July irikuti iyo maZimbabweans ari kupinda streets kunoratidzira. We know one thing for sure, that Mnangagwa achinzwa zvinhu zvakadai so unonzwa mudumbu. One thing he knows ndechekuti he himself, in reality, he doesn't have power. He doesn't have power. And as we speak right now, even the soldiers are not loyal to him. They are loyal to their own reality. They are not benefiting nothing. The ones who are benefiting are only a few. You understand? So nobody is on Mnangagwa's side. The public, the masses are against Mnangagwa. So 31 July is not going to be the end of the whole thing. Anzi, because tikuda kupinzira inonzi March and March muno muZimbabwe. Muno zvinosa zvoro here kuti kumacha moramba muchingomacha. Zvorova kuti until manzwikwa. Zvirova kuti vakomana vanatenda ibiti, vakomana vanalove mumadhuku, vakomana vema-war veterans, vakomana ma-retired generals, vese vakabatana pachinhu chinonzi icho gungano revanhu, umubambano wemupakati, the constituents of the people. This organization, what is happening within this organization? Ikuti once tapinzira game muso 31, there is no rest until paitika a change. Kachiti rest that throughout we are going to turn a country into an evil this, we are going to demolish. No, but we are saying achisi kuzopera kusvika paitwa machanges ari kudiwa, the changes that the people are demanding. And the changes that people are demanding is, first of all, we can say is just one thing. It's just to say we need a referendum. We want to vote. Because Mnangagwa nematuma ministers tako amurambidzwi kusuggesta to the people of Zimbabwe tikuda kuita Cape 3, tikuda kuextenda matems edu mu president, tikuda kubvisa masimba akati tomaisa kwakati. It is amurambidzwi to come up with suggestions like that. But now you have to subject those suggestions to the people so that the people vote yes or no. So Zimbabwe, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Neni Super Nexus. Peace.